What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video I'm going to show you how to check and add the washer fluid on this 2001 BMW 325xi. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. So the washer fluid reservoir is located right here under the hood. Pop the cap right here, take some washer fluid. There's many types of different washer fluid you can use. They make some for ice, some for bugs, some for summer, some for winter. Just top it off. You don't have to go all the way up. Close the lid, lock it back in place.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.